Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 15 best fighters in the MMA world. Number 15, Conor McGregor. McGregor is one of mixed martial arts few simultaneously two-weight world champions, meaning he topped two divisions at the same time because of his thumping wins over Jose Aldo in 2015 and Eddie Alvarez in 2016. After annihilating the cowboy McGregor is on the hunt for a meaningful fight. Summer showdown against Justin Gaethje would be just that, and should he win, he would find himself far higher in this list. Number 14, George Masvidal. Masvidal is now on the cusp of UFC title shot against current champion Kamaru Usman, which is a nightmare-style matchup for him. But should he become the new king of the division, he will surely crack the top 10 list of best MMA fighters in the world today too. Number 13, Francis Ngannou. Francis Ngannou is one of the baddest men on the planet. He is 6 foot 4 inches, 255 pounds and the heaviest hitter in UFC history. Insider asked Ngannou whether punchers are born or made and where he got his concussive power. He told us last year that he is a made puncher and it was because of child labor in Africa. Number 12, Dan Cormier. Dan Cormier is one of the most accomplished athletes in all MMA. He is fought in King of the Cage, Strikeforce and the UFC and has won championships in every organization. It is in the UFC where he made his name, becoming a two-weight champion at light, heavyweight and heavyweight. There is little left for Cormier to achieve, though he may fight just one more time to win back the heavyweight title he lost to the current ruler, Stipe Miocic. Number 11, Stipe Miocic. Stipe Miocic is one of the most decorated heavyweight in MMA history. He is a two-time heavyweight champion, the division's current ruler, and he has the most UFC heavyweight title defenses in history. During that run, he has beaten a who's who of tough guys: Fabricio Werdum Jr., Dos Santos, and Francis Ngannou. Miocic has slain them. Number 10, Alexander Volkanovski. Alexander Volkanovski has won 18 fights in a row in a run that stretches back to 2013. It is his recent victories that elevated his name to give him global fame though. In his last 3 bouts, he finished the American wrestler Chad Mendes, outpointed the Brazilian veteran Jose Aldo, and then defeated Max Holloway to claim the UFC featherweight championship in December last year. Number 9, Patricio Freire. Since Patricio Freire suffered the 4th loss of his career against Benson Henderson at Bellator 160 in 2016, he has rebounded by not only winning the Bellator featherweight title but the lightweight title too. He's also put the featherweight belt on the line by entering the Bellator World Grand Prix. Number 8, Israel Adesanya. Israel Adesanya was competing in kickboxing shows in 2017 before making his UFC debut in 2018. 1 year later, he won the UFC middleweight championship and now he is lining up the division's beast list man to defend his title. Adesanya dares to be great, and if he books himself about against the light heavyweight King John Jones and win, the UFC would have an all-time great on its hand. Number 7, Douglas Lima. Douglas Lima, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt and Muay Thai expert. He will happily kick your thighs so hard over and over until you need crutches, a best, or a wheelchair at worst. He is a three-time Bellator welterweight champion, has highlight reel performances on his record, and is just 2 months shy from challenging Mousasi for the weekend middleweight title in May. Number 6. Tony Ferguson. Tony Ferguson has won 12 in a row, many of them against top-tier opponents, and continues to produce fight of the night type classics. He is unpredictable and unconventional, but when it comes to trading blows within the confines of a closed cage, he will happily uppercut all over your face until you are barely recognizable. Number 5. Demetrius Johnson. Demetrius Johnson was one of the most dominant athletes in all sports through the 2010. He was a winning machine, making 11 title defenses of his UFC flyweight belt, including victories over Joseph Benavidez, Kyoji Horiguchi, and even Henry Cejudo. He ended up moving to ONE Championship, a Singapore-based MMA firm, and he won 3 fights in a row, getting crowned the company's flyweight Grand Prix champion in his first year of competition. Number 4. Kamaru Usman. Kamaru Usman has been crushing the UFC competitions ever since his debut with the world's premier MMA firm in 2015. He has already beaten Leon Edwards, Rafael dos Anjos, and Tryon Woodley, a bout which saw him get crowned middleweight champion. Number 3. Henry Cejudo. In the 5 fights Cejudo has fought since suffering back-to-back losses against Demetrius Johnson and Joseph Benavidez, Cejudo has beaten Sergio Pettis, Demetrius Johnson, and TJ Dillashaw. He goes up weight class and wins the UFC bantamweight title by finishing Marlon Moraes in 3 rounds last year. Number 2. Jon Jones. There was a time when Jon Jones was on a killer run. That Jones was awesome, but then thing unrevealed. Forget about the controversies, the out of octagon misdemeanors, and the failed drug test. Jones has not looked like the old Jones for a very long time, though his standards appear to have slipped. Jones remains a light heavyweight champion with the UFC and continues to collect wins. Number 1. Khabib Nurmagomedov. His name is Khabib Nurmagomedov. He is unbeaten after 28 bouts, and he smashed his way through his opponent's will, barely even losing a round. Nurmagomedov has since beaten Dustin Poirier in style and is set to defend his UFC title on 18 April against Tony Ferguson. Is one of the most significant championship fights in the history of the company. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.